Hi, EDU 210 students. We are now moving into Chapter 11, the last chapter of the text that we will cover, and it does a really good job of bringing it all together, all those different facets of culture and how you can actually apply it in a classroom setting. So I think you'll enjoy reading Chapter 11, Education that is Multicultural. You'll have a quiz on that, and then between reading the chapter, the material on Canvas, and taking the quiz, you have a lot of good things these 2 weeks. One thing that's rather long, but I think is worthwhile, is reading Should We Burn Babar? It's kind of, I think a lot of you will find it a little bit nitpicky, but it helps you really think critically about the material that you bring into your classroom and what underlying themes that it's maybe reinforcing. So take the time to do that these 2 weeks. Also, you're going to read a handout called The Truth About Thanksgiving, and that one you should find pretty interesting, especially knowing that the Thanksgiving holidays are just around the corner. And then another thing that's kind of cool is the TED Talk. It's labeled Inspiring, and it's given by a lady named Rita, who's pretty famous in the TED arena. But I think you'll find that her speech also drives home a lot of the concepts we've been working on over this semester. So we're starting to sort of wrap things up, believe it or not, in EDU 210 as we come to the end of our time in the textbook and in other people's children. You'll have the two major assignments coming up. Service learning is in the next 2 weeks. I believe it's due by November 24th. And then after that, you have your research project. So you'll be spending some time reading other people's research projects and responding to them. So keep those two big things in mind as we come upon the holiday season. I hope you all enjoy your Halloween coming up, and I'll check back in again after these next 2 weeks due date, which is November 11th.